the bloody door now. Where are we kids? Daddy, I'm Serena. Mommy's drowning. Got your shoes though. Remember that. Remember that, kids. Got your shoes.
Did you just how fat my face was?
Honestly. And I was waving to you, Sabrina, so I'm drowning. Waving, idiot. Remember that, Luke? Your dad was just waving and saying hi because they never come over. It doesn't matter if I'm brolly, you could have grabbed it.
I can show you the slower way, and I can show you the long way. The slower way, you don't even have to be in the room to get your points. Just make sure you got a timer set for about every 6 minutes.